Plogging is the combination of picking up trash and jogging, and it really has become something that is good for my mental health and the planet. My name's Paul Way. I've been living in the Netherlands for 20 years now. In 2011, I started plogging, which was the first time I picked up trash with the intention of doing something good. Plogging really is my ritual. It has become a daily action. The equipment that I take with me is quite simple, really. Some tongs that gives me some extra reach to pick up things, some gloves, just to make sure that I've got that sort of barrier between myself and the trash, the water bottle, a couple of reusable bags, and then put it all in a rucksack, and then I'm all set to go. The beautiful thing about living in this area is the nature. We've got this beautiful woodland that is just so wonderful to run around in. So easy just to get lost in it and just soak up the atmosphere. Running is my passion. That is the thing that I love doing above all else. Plogging is my commitment. It's a commitment that I've made to myself, that I've made to you, to the community at large. People often ask me, does it not get you down picking up that trash? And for me, I say, no, it's exactly the opposite. What it will actually do is give you a positive start to the day. Don't think about it as being, there's all this trash on the ground. Think of it as you've done something good. Because of you, the countryside is a little bit cleaner. So every time I go for a run, I will pick up a piece of trash. It only has to be one piece and you make an impact. Suddenly, picking up that single piece that turns your run into something that's not just good for you, it's good for us and it's good for the planet. I choose to run in these beautiful places because they're just so magical and I want to keep them like that.